y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Deandra, and if you're new, then don't forget to subscribe. So this is just going to be a video on how I trim my hair after I straighten it. My straight hair routine is already on my channel, so don't forget to check out that after this one. So as you can see, my ends are looking a bit raggedy, so I'm just going to clip those dead ends off. I start off by dividing my hair in half and then pulling out a small section in the very back to start with. I know that some people just put their hair into two ponytails and cut straight across, but I prefer to do one piece at a time. I would definitely suggest that you make sure you buy some good hair shears for this, because if your scissors are too dull, they could actually cause damage and split ends. So now that my piece is nice and detangled, I just cut. I wasn't really measuring how much I was actually cutting, but I just made sure that both sides of my hair were even. So that's why I did one piece on my right side and then I switched to the left side, and I just kept going back and forth. This just made it easier to see if I was keeping it all even. I like to do a light trim or dusting every few months while my hair is curly, just to minimize any single strand knots. But I wait until I actually straighten my hair, which is about once a year or so, to really do a full trim. It's a lot easier for me to see the thin ends when it's straight versus when it's curly. However, if you prefer to do all of your trims when your hair is curly, then that's fine too. It's really just whatever works for you. So now I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys watch. And that's it. Thanks as always for watching, and make sure you subscribe because I'm doing a huge giveaway once we hit 500 subbies. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.